This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by J. Rudiger Weiss. This home has everything: location, a great open floor plan, and it comes completely turnkey furnished. A new pool is under construction, photos visualized. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, all on a nice corner lot. Upon entering the home, you will find a nicely updated home with all whistles and bells, ready to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. New air conditioner in 2017, new roof in 2019, new windows and water heater in 2021. Take on a tour and explore the neighborhood of Palma Sola, close to the beaches on Anna Maria Island and Bradenton Beach, close to shopping and dining as well. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Rudiger Weiss at 941-365-0022.